welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing, it's July, I'm so behind, I know. This is the June Boxycharm Boxyluxe box. So this is $59.99 American every 3 months, and you get approximately 8 full-size items, and their website says that the average value of the box is $395, which is awesome if you're only paying $60. So, what else? There is the option to choose 2 of the items you get in here. So I think I chose 2 things, but I can't remember what they were. So it'll be a surprise to everyone. So let's get into it and see what's inside. All right. So this is what our box looks like, and here is the card. Is there a theme this month? It just says summer, and on the back it has all of the prices of everything we got in the box. So let's dig in. I should say Boxycharm is my favorite of the subscription boxes I get or have received in the past, but you know, I think the prices have gone up. I think it's closer to $30 a month US for the base box, which is still okay. But there has been some things I've got in the last couple that I've been like, But let's see if that's the case today. So, what's this bottle? So, we have, I think, Day is the company. And it is a cactus flower leave-in conditioner. Calms frizz, softens and hydrates, and protects hair from breakage. And heat protects up to 450 degrees. Which is awesome, so I'll definitely use that. I'm getting my hair cut soon, so hopefully I can stop wearing it in a bun all day, every day. All right, next, what's this big blue box here? Oh, it's an Elemis product. I love Elemis skincare. So this is a clarifying clay wash, skin clearing facial wash for blemish-prone skin with Boldo leaf, clay, hawthorn. It cleanses, purifies, and balances. So I do love Elemis, but I might actually pass this along just to someone I know is prone to have blemishes. I don't often get one. I've got, of course, one today, but I don't really have that problem with my skin. I have a plethora of other issues, but it's not that. But Elemis, love their products, and this is 150 mils or 5 fluid ounces. All right, next up, what do we got? What's this? Oh, it's a big one. So this is from Dew of the Gods. I don't think I've heard of this brand. This is the Fuji Collagen Whip Vitamin Mask for that bright and bouncy. And it is actually in plastic wrap. So let's see if I can do this quickly. If not, I will pause the camera. Or everyone can just watch me struggle live, you know, like you do. Alright, so this is 100 grams or 3.52 ounces. So it's a nice size. Well, that's fun packaging, it looks like. Oh, look at that. I love, like, obviously you don't get as much product, but the container is beautiful. Does it say vitamin cocktail, anyone? That Fiji glow really hits different. Rich, luscious, and thick electric kaolin infused with pure liquid collagen, vitamin C, and lychee brightens tones and lifts your skin while restoring its natural balance. Injected with hyaluronic acid. Fuji is all about that youthful, radiant glow. It's a party in the tropics, and the vibe is Fiji chic. Oh, also, Fuji is blessed by a Buddhist monk to inspire nourishment of the soul. Replenish, rest, and repeat. I love this packaging, though, I gotta say. Love it. And then it is actually that color. And it does have like a very tropic vibe. It looks very nice and thick. That is just, I love the packaging on that even. But I'm anxious to try that because that sounds like exactly what my skin needs. A little vacation. All right, what is next? What is this? This is from Uve Limited. 3 full size and 3 mini makeup blenders. Awesome. It says free to be you. This is another brand I don't think I've had anything from. Oh, look at that. They look like little Easter eggs. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, they weren't kidding. So, we've got 3 little mini beauty blenders. Oh, I just dropped one. And then 3 of the larger size. Those are really cute colors too. This one's nice because it'll pretty much, once I use it a bunch, it'll look the same color because that's the color of my foundation. But look at, we got all the colors, and the purple one fell. Very cute. Very cute. All right, so there's a lot of stuff in this box. Oh, what's this one? Oh, it's from Rare Beauty. So this is Discovery Eyeshadow Palette Came to Play. An eyeshadow palette with 7 ultra smooth and richly pigmented shades and a range of finishes from pearl, metallic, matte, and glitter. I think I only have one Rare Beauty product, and it's like their compact with like the preloaded face puff and the oil absorbing wipes. I don't have any of their eyeshadows, so let's see what this looks like. I've heard good things about this brand in general. I'd really like to try one of their blushes. Their liquid blushes apparently are amazing. So here is the packaging. And then when we open it, let's see what kind of colors we have. Oh, those are pretty, and they're right up my alley. I love the pinks and the purples. Look at that glitter in the middle. That's really pretty. So we've got like a lilac purple, like a light pinky purple, golden brown, a couple of purples, a nice like pearlescent duochrome, and then this other like brownish purple here. Should we swatch? Yes. Let us swatch. So we're gonna do what? Definitely the center glitter, this dark purple, this duochrome, and then how about just this like more nude color. So that's what they look like swatched on the skin. This duochrome is really pretty. It's really pretty. I mean, I think I would have made the glitter a smaller color just because I don't use a lot of glitters, and that's the largest shade. What's it called? No likes needed. But still, it's a very cute little palette. Absolutely. How many things? Still 3 more things to go. All right, what is this? Are you kidding? We got a Patrick Ta item. Wow. What is it? It is a Major Glow Lip Shine in the shade Pearl. Oh, no, she's expensive. That's awesome. I have just recently started buying some Patrick Ta products. I've got a blush palette and I've got the Major Dimensions 2 palette, and I really like both of them. Oh, look how pretty that is. It's like a nice pearl gold, like golden pearl. Feels like very good quality, like just the packaging as well. I've already got lip gloss on, but let's just try. Feels nice on the lips. I'm very happy to get that. That's awesome. Right, 2 things left. And what is this words I see here? NARS. What? Patrick Ta and a NARS product? This is a lipstick in the shade Raw Seduction, and it is a satin finish. Look at how pretty that is. Like NARS and Patrick Ta and Elemis and Rare Beauty. What? So that is the packaging, and that is the color. Yeah, you see that detail? So it's like a peachy brown. Let's try a little swatch. So that is it there. That's a really pretty summer color. Wow, Boxycharm, you've upped your game. Nice. And we still have one more thing. We've got one final thing in here. And it's a Natasha Denona product. Are you kidding me, Boxycharm? This is amazing. What did we get? The Cupid Cheek Duo. Look how pretty that packaging is. I had one of the face products and I smashed it on the floor, and I'm happy to have something new. Look at that. So we have got this beautiful blush and this beautiful highlighter. Let's swatch it on the other hand here. So this is a nice cream blush. And this is a nice powdered highlighter. And there they are swatched. So it's definitely not as rich as this color, which you would think, because I thought, oh, well, that's gonna be dark. But it's just like a nice, like, little glossy kind of finish. And that highlighter is pow. Going to love this, I'm sure. Wow, that was quite the box. I think maybe they made some mistakes and gave me all the stuff instead of just, you know, the things that they normally would put. But wow, I mean, Elemis, NARS, Natasha Denona, Patrick Ta, Rare Beauty, and then like so much other stuff. It's amazing. I'm very excited to see what the cost is. But first, I'm going to pick my favorites. And I can't even pick favorites. How am I supposed to pick favorites out of that? I'm going to go with the Patrick Ta Lip Gloss, then the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo, then the NARS lipstick, then the Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette, then the Elemis face wash, or clay wash, and then this Fuji mask, and the hairs and the makeup sponges. Not a bad thing in this box. Not a one. I love it so much. Right now, let's get okay. So the Rare Beauty Discovery Eyeshadow Palette, $29. The Dew of the Gods Fuji Collagen Whip Mask. Sorry, I think that this is Dew of the Gods, the brand name. Sorry, $42. So those two products are already more than the price I paid for the box. And then the NARS lipstick, $26. The Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash, $49. Holy moly. The Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo is $42. The Patrick Ta Beauty Major Glow Lip Shine is $22. This is what I'm looking at right now. My dog is on high alert, and my little dog is wondering what's going on. And then the Day Cactus Flower Leave-In Conditioner is $26. And the Juve, where'd they go? Oh, they fell. The Beauty Blenders are $65. Well, that seems like a little bit excessive for that, but if they're really good quality, why not? So let's see what the full value was. Right, so our full value of the box is $301, and I paid $60. So definitely got the value. And I always go based on whether I'll use the products, and I will use every single one of these. Very excited. I might pass along the Elemis only because I know a couple of people who could use it more than I could. But overall, loved the box. Loved it, loved it, loved it. It's really nice to get a box like you get it. Like, I got very excited about this box. Like, it was just like surprise after surprise after surprise. And I honestly can't think that of any of these things that I picked out. So they were all a surprise. I'm so happy. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you watching. If you wouldn't mind, you can click here to go to my channel and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. You can click like and or comment down below. And there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. Have a great day.